Hi, this is Christine and welcome to my YouTube channel Scrap and Rabbit. I'm here with another journal in my Etsy shop, and this one measures 5 inches across by 6 inches high and it's 2 inches thick. It features a nice fabric flower. I made this with some pieces of lace fabric and satin, and there's a acrylic cabochon, and there's an image, it's probably going to be hard to see, of a woman. It's like a vintage image, and there are little acrylic pearls around the cabochon, and I've got a little dangling bead on the front. On the side I have some chunky charms, and these are attached to a clip so you can remove them easily if you want. You can add these to your purse if you prefer. And part of the charms include a little pair of sunglasses, a heart, and a seashell. These were made with beads mostly from vintage jewelry, and I attached them to a chain. The journal also comes with this little bookmark, paperclip bookmark, that has a dangling bead on the side. And here's the back. Beautiful pink floral paper, and there's a little bird here on the front. Now this is just an elastic closure. On the inside cover I have a little envelope, and there's a tag in here, and that just tucks underneath this little tab like that. So there are 5 signatures. I used a variety of papers throughout the journal. I've got some parchment paper, some writing paper, some drawing paper, business papers, and this is from an old music book. And this is an envelope that I tucked in there. So I'll just show you the papers. I like doing videos because it gives you a much better idea of what something looks like rather than just pictures. There are no embellishments in here, so you can stamp and customize it as you see fit. This is beautiful paper with some glitter on it. I've got some tea-stained papers, and this is an envelope with a tag inside. And there's another little envelope here. This is scrapbook paper. Now, if you decide to include some photos in your journal, it's a good idea to scan and print them and keep your originals in a safe space, because most of these papers, or a good portion of them anyways, wouldn't be is not acid free, and you don't want to damage your original photos. This is an index card that I tea stained. Yeah, so it's always a good idea to use copies of your photos. There's quite a mix of papers, and they're repeated among the different signatures, not necessarily in the same order though. There's another little envelope. There's a little doily, so you can tuck something inside here, whether it's an envelope or a little tag. another envelope. I just folded this in two and attached it in the center of the signature. There's another tag, and you can write on these with a gold Sharpie. It looks really nice. I like these smaller journals because sometimes you don't necessarily want to fill out a whole page, a large page for a day or whatever. And it's nice to write on smaller sheets of paper if you don't have all that much to document. I have quite a few journals in this size up on my Etsy shop right now. And quite a few of my journals include these removable chunky charms and a little bookmark. So you can have a look. It'll indicate that in the listings. And there's a pocket on the back. So don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. And feel free to have a look at my other journals in my Etsy shop. They have videos as well, and they're indicated in the listing if you want to see the journal in more detail. Have a nice day, happy scrapping, and happy journaling. Bye.